You haven't had any major claims problems, so you can't really speak to that yet, but it's more of the fact that you feel comfortable knowing
Well, I
that you
can
got a
say, I
local
mean,
guy.
obviously, again, it's, I don't want to take up too much time, but just the fact that, the time they were going to impound my car and I had you on the
There
phone
you go.
with the cop, that
That's
Geico
true.
wouldn't have been on the phone with
That's
the
true,
cop.
between me and Jim Reed, that's right, that's right.
The thing I take away from working with Pete and with Wallen Insurance is that you want to do business with somebody that you have a good relationship with, because then you don't feel the pressure, you don't feel like you're not following the rules or doing the right things. It's more of a relationship, and it's more of a mutual understanding that when somebody needs help or somebody has a problem, an issue with their insurance or with their car, they're a phone call away. They're not a call center away. They're not an email and a day away. As a new business owner, I see the value in working with other small business owners and people who really get what I'm doing and are part of the community, because that's the same thing that I'm trying to do. And I see that here.